Hello, my name's Jim Lancaster and I'm the owner and inventor of the Wasp Pole Pro. I've been in the industry now for over 20 years and use most bits of equipment for treating wasp nests and never really found anything that's suitable to our needs that lasts really. So I've came up with the Wasp Pole Pro, and this is just a short video to see what you get in the box. So as you can see, the Wasp Pole Pro comes in a nice hard case which will fit in a van. It's about just over 6 foot 3 inches long. As we open up the box, we've got a 100% carbon fibre telescopic pole which can be locked at any distance. It's a 35 foot pole with a total reach of 40 foot. It comes with a CO2 cartridge which fits onto the trigger system. It comes with a powder pot with a flexible end on it, and it also comes with a nest spike which attaches to the powder pot as well, and that's ready all to go. So you've now got your pot here. With your pot, we've preloaded the chemical which is already in here, and we've used a bayonet fitting, so this just clips on, so you've got your nice end fitting there ready to go. We've got a one-way ball valve in here, so when the chemical's in there nothing's going to leak out for you. So at the end of the pole, what we've got now is your bayonet fitting. So to connect it to the end, we just literally click on. That's on there now, ready to do the wasp nest. So to change from the flexible end to the spike, it's quite simple. Just click the end off, push this out. As you can see, it's got an O-ring in there. You've got the nest spike now, so you can pierce the nest, pull the trigger and everything emits into the middle of the nest, leaving no chemical on the outside. So you just push that through there, that clips onto there. As you can see, that's clipped on, ready to go. Just clips back on there. So that's now can be pierced straight into the nest and emit the powder. So we've got our CO2 cartridge in there, so we just screw that now, tighten it up, which pierces and loads the system. So we've got a restrictor tap here, so that's fully open now. So if you wanted to just emit a little bit of pressure up through the pipe, what we do, we shut the tap fully, crack it back a little bit, and then as you can hear, that just emits a tiny little bit of air. And if you need to give it a bit more, you could open it up and give it a little bit more. Just gives you full control of what you're doing and how it's working at the other end. So, what we need to do, take some pipe off. We'll take it all off so it shows you. So potentially we're going to look at a wasp nest where the flashing is up on the chimney there and where the roof comes down. So we'll treat that as the entry point. As you can see, we just need to unclamp it, lock it off, lock these at any point. So potentially if you've got a wasp nest now just under the gutter, you could treat that one there. Slight bit of, there's one going under there, a little bit there. Okay, so now we've got one a bit higher up, under the flashing, at the top there. We'll just extend a bit more pole. So obviously we've got quite a lot of pole left to go if we wanted to. So if they were just going under there, under the flashing, okay, under there, the entry point, you just nice and easy, pull the trigger. Done. Bring the pole down, just release the clamp, bring it down. Okay, now we need to wrap the pipe back up on the holder, so it just keeps it out of your way. Clips in the bottom there, clips over, it's nice and safe, everything's out of your way, ready to go.